This is a funky disclaimer that we have, which means whatever job links we are going to share in the couple of minutes, so it's verified from our side, but we also recommend you to verify from your end, right? So that you will not get scammed somewhere. There's a lot of scams which is going on. So as a cyber security person, it's our duty to just guide you and aware about the things which is on. Anyways, what we do live show as always, job openings, answering your funky question, and understanding what exactly you're looking for. Okay, and yes, something that I teach you. So, guys, those who have joined the live session, just be on live after this sharing job links, then we can discuss a couple of things, right? So, stay with me till the end. So, this is the first opening that we have, which is hiring as a associate L1. L1 is the lowest one, which means the freshest job. So, this job is in Noida. Skills is SIM, security incident and event monitoring, SOAR, QRadar, and ArcSight are the things that is required. So L1, L2 is required, means for freshers and for those who have little bit of experience. So this job is for those people, right? In Noida, it's in Delhi NCR, and the company name is IQ, right? I dot dash Q. So this is mail ID where you can drop your resume. So if you get selected, they will mail you. Next is urgent opening in Dubai. So if you have passport or something, then only you can apply. So this is network security job openings in Dubai, long-term duration. Okay, these are the couple of things which is required. Okay, skills is Fortnite, Jupyter F5, Cisco packet routing, Cisco ACI, STA, and FTD firewall is important. So this is a mail ID on which you can drop your resume if you want to apply for this opening, and if you will get reward once you get selected, right? Next opening is in Tech Pars, which is they're looking for someone into the cybersecurity team. So this is the first opening that they have, which is senior information security engineer, which requires some experience. Second is senior network security engineer, which required experience, and this is for the freshers, right? So this is junior security engineer. So you can apply as well, and this is the mail ID mahy.elsorogi@gmail.com on which you can drop your resume, right? Next opening is in European Union. Okay, company is Idan. So Idan, this is a company name actually. So they are hiring for multiple positions. So these are the openings that they have. Incident management, Citrix, SOC L1, which is for the fresher, help desk L1, fresher job, junior fresher job, analyst. This is also fresher, which might comes under GRC, incident manager, okay, and talent acquisition consultant. If you want to apply for any of the job role, you can apply. This is the mail ID where you can drop, right? Next opening that someone is looking for fresher, okay, who want to kickstart their career in data analyst as a data analyst, right? And this is the mail ID HR underscore Muktal 7 at atomcode.com. So company name is Atom Code. Okay, so just ignore this thing. This was rewritten, right? So the above one from here to here, you can check out, right? So now next thing is next opening is in Cyber Rally Net Solution, which is their certificate the company is having. So they are providing physical internship, right? The program that they have is security, SOC, audit compliance, incident management, all these things is there. So this is date till when you can drop your resume. Okay, till that when you can apply for the internship. And this is the mail ID on which you can drop your resume, right? Oh, set. This is in Pakistan. Yeah, Pakistan is always struggling for job. Even the Pakistani PM wants job, so please ignore this thing. Nothing to do. Even they can't pay you even more than 100 rupees. Anyways, so that's all for today, guys. Now we can have some things.